Welcome to DIY for Homeowners.
We're mother-daughter projects.
I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
8 months ago, I got this cute little girl right here, and we've been taking her for walks a lot, and the problem is we're getting a lot of dirt in my car and a lot of dog hair.
Oh my goodness, so much dog hair. As part of the prospective campaign with the Home Depot, we received a rigid wet dry vac, and the thing we really liked about this is it came with all of these really great auto detailing tools, and we thought that'd be perfect for cleaning up this car.
Yes. As always, there is a link in the description to the written tutorial and the tools that we used. Let's get started. First, we checked out the accessories that are included. Here are the 2 locking extension wands. Here's the claw nozzle that's great for lifting out dirt from floor mats and carpets. This is the crevice tool and the locking car nozzle. And these are the hard and soft bristle brushes. The hard is great for agitating and lifting up ground in dirt, and the soft one is for cleaning up more delicate surfaces. We're going to start with a soft brush attached to the premium hose, which is 4 times more durable than the standard rigid hose. The soft brush is working great at cleaning up debris from the car seats. Now I'm trying the hard bristle brush on the floor mats of my car, and it did a great job at picking up the ground and dirt. And here with the claw nozzle, I'm able to get ground and dirt as well. The back of the seats get a lot of dog hair, and the claw nozzle is doing a great job at picking it up. I switched to the hard brush, and it's doing a good job as well at getting the dog hair. Next, I lifted up the seat, and the crevice tool is great for those tight spaces. And the soft brush is cleaning up the seats really nicely. You can see the back of my car has a lot of dog hair, and I was able to clean that up with various attachments. I found the hard bristle brush worked the best at loosening and vacuuming up the dog hair. The crevice tool is great for getting dirt out of those small spaces. I was able to clean all the surfaces of my car with this new vacuum and attachments. We get a lot of sand in here from our walks in the woods with Mac, and this does a great job of cleaning it all out.
What we learned. Like many of the wet dry vacs we've used, this is fairly loud, and it's a great idea to use ear protection just to be more comfortable.
As you saw in the video, the attachments are really easy to put on, and once they're on, they feel very secure, and we didn't have any issues with anything coming off. They work really well.
If you already have a wet dry vac, you can buy the auto detailing kit separately, and I really like this orange hose. It's very flexible, and it's probably going to be a permanent addition to our wet dry vac.
Yes. Once your car is clean, you might still have a dog odor, and a couple months ago I actually found this product at the Home Depot, and what it does is it absorbs the smells, and really my car doesn't have a bad dog smell. So this is a great product, and to recharge it you actually just put it outside in the sun and it recharges and can keep using it, so that's pretty great. And again, another thank you to Home Depot for sponsoring today's project, and we'll see you next time. Now the attachments for this for the hose here, these work really well. They're just this easy. There was a bug that just flew in front of the lens.
Oh my goodness.
It's gone now. Okay.
We're gonna have more bloopers on this.
We got the bloops going. Okay. If you like this project, you're probably gonna like some more of our pet DIY projects. You can find them right here in this playlist.
And if you'd like another cleaning video, you can find that right here.